Hakatai kajing pun kup buram kablalong hakas ngit hok ding jong keteo baladep laidon lang ru uba ipi kharbi IAS Executive Chairman ke Embos kumukong san haringkat kajing don lang ufada MR banyang ubalong Presiden jong ke School Managing Committee ufada RM Majau Principal ba Wilfred Khileb MC members ba WHD Singkon rang ba Shnong Mokhar ba Donwar Vice President Past People ba Buje Edkhar Secretary Past People kinong ikai bala song thaj kikmi kipa jong kina bat ki weide ki bala shakot sobha haga jingklan jong u kumukong san uba kharbi ulapun pau kina ba ka jing pas jong ki ya ka SSLC kadai ka senjam ga baningkong haga jing im jong ki bakin pedang hab banya lemba bon ki wei pat kiran jingele ha ka jing im ukong san ula ajing mut ru bakum kani ka sngi kabalakan mau burom ya uklawat kari uturat sing sim ubalong unong job na ka benta kari kanong ka basngotan at sibon lada ka school kan sim ya kani ka sngi kum ka Victors Day ne ka sngi kinong job ula ai khublei ru ya kinong penya school kinong hikai bat kum ju ru ya kimi kipa bladon halendet jong ka jing job jong ki khna bat jong kani ka program kablalong ha kani ka sngi.
This was possible because this school has teachers that are committed and dedicated. That's why I was made to come here and sacrifice a very important part of my life, and that is a holiday. But only on one condition I happened to come here today, because I didn't forget that the holiday that I get today is because to commemorate the death, the fruitful death of a very towering figure, Tirat Singh of Dongkla. So I came because I want to see the brave victors who would remain victors throughout their life. But it is just a wishful thinking. You have completed one phase of your achievement because of the commitment and the dedication of the teacher and the institution like St. Dominic Xavier School. This is just the beginning. If you really want to know why people fail, they fail because they lack determination, they fail because they lack discipline, they fail because they lack dedication, and what else? They fail because they are disloyal. How many D's are there? I really don't know. But they fail because they have shown disrespect to the teachers. They fail because they have shown disrespect to the parents by not obeying, by not following the instructions of the teachers and the parents.
Hakani kasni la ai kusnam syai abadahun shisha lingkhoi balayo aka 13 position haka merit list jong ka Embos SSLC akhir khasan but iblayo distinction ru habaro subject ka school kal ai buram gi da ka laptop ka certificate of appreciation bat ka trophy kum ka jingle buram ka school kal ai ki memento ba kisurnot shabaro ki bla pass ya ka SSLC but HSSLC haka juk apor bala ru ka cash award shabaro ki balayo nyop san percent cheneng ka school choir kal ai ka jingroi pin shop museum shabaro ki nongwan sakhi haka ni sngi ki khana ki lapin kende museum ya ki nong pe kai da ka jing shat but ka dance act ki ba ai jing sneng ya baro ba ha ka jing imbreu ka don ka jingele ka bajur hapaneng ka jing ba ka jing sneu but khanang ban ai la ya ka jing ba ban job ni don kam ban phai show blei ringkat kamon bajuat banyang persya ya ki jing sneu.
Take me deeper now.